Hey guys, reneenadeau here. I'm coming at you from an island here that I've been camping on for a few days. Pretty au natural to the point where Steve and we've brought out our stuff, our food, our water, and we're just living on the earth for a few days. And just wanted to share with you how beautiful this place is. Do you know when in meditation they tell you to go to a place, or someone tells you to go to a place in a guided meditation? They tell you to go to a place where you're at complete peace and beauty, whether it's by water or whatever. This is a place that I tend to go to in my mind when I'm in those meditations, and it's so nice to actually go to those places and explore them, or find places like that and explore it, and just be with the earth and be with yourself and enjoy what we are given here. It's pretty amazing to come out of the busy city or places, towns, places, and just take yourself right out and be in nature, be here. It's really beautiful. I just came out and I woke up this morning and the sun and there's blue sky and it's beautiful here, and I just had a bit of a bath in the lake and feel good and refreshed, and I love it. It's really nice. So I'm going to have a few more video captions of our stay here. Not much, because you know it's also a time just to relax and be in the present moment. And not that I don't focus on being in the present moment daily, but here it's really easy to just be one with everything. So I'm hoping you guys are having a great day, and I hope this encourages you to go out and explore and take the time that you have away from work or away from your business to really refresh and rejuvenate. And yeah, if this jumps out at you, then yeah, it's good.